Manaus, the heart of the Amazon. Manaus, the capital of Amazonas, Brazil, is a vibrant gateway to the Amazon rainforest, attracting adventurers, researchers, and tourists worldwide. Historical roots and economic growth. Founded in 1669 as the fort of San Jose de Rio Negro, Manaus flourished during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, when the rubber boom transformed it into one of South America's wealthiest cities. Remnants of this prosperity endure today in grand architectural landmarks like the Amazon Theatre, Teatro Amazonas, a magnificent opera house crafted with European materials and designed with the jungle. Manaus remains an economic powerhouse, now fueled by the Manaus Free Trade Zone, Zona Franca de Manaus, which draws industries ranging from electronics to motorcycles. This special economic area has driven rapid urbanization, making Manaus a major industrial center and tourism. Culture and diversity. Manaus hosts a diverse population with a rich blend of indigenous, European, and African heritage. This cultural tapestry appears in the city's cuisine, music, and festivals. Local markets teem with Amazonian fruits and fish, and the annual festival de Caranchins, though held nearby, draws crowds to celebrate regional folklore and Moribamba performances. Gateway to the Amazon. Perhaps Manaus's greatest allure springs from its proximity to the Amazon rainforest. The city sits at the confluence of the Rio Negro and the Solimões River, an area famously known as the Beating of Waters, where the two rivers run side by side and provide their own magic. Ecotourism flourishes here, as visitors board boat tours, stay in jungle lodges, and embark on wildlife excursions to observe the Amazon's unparalleled biodiversity. Modern Manaus. Despite its remote location, Manaus buzzes as a bustling metropolis with over 2 million inhabitants. Its infrastructure features an international airport, universities, shopping centers, and vibrant nightlife. Yet, the rainforest continually shapes the city's climate, economy, and way of life. Conclusion. Manaus offers contrasts, where modern industry meets ancient jungle, and urban life coexists with the wild beauty of nature. As the beating heart of the Amazon, Manaus welcomes the world to explore its history, culture, and the wonders of the rainforest beyond its borders.